Hello guys, welcome to my stream today. And in this video or in this stream, I'll be discussing about my CH practical. Okay, like what all these exam about and what are everything regarding the CH and stuff. Okay, so let's start, guys. So first of all, let me show you my what you call my certificate. So this is my certificate, guys, and I'll also provide the link in the description below where you can verify my certification. Okay, so coming to the exam, as I told you, the CH master exam or CH, so in order to get CH master you need to complete a normal CH, which consists of multiple choice questions, and also you need to complete CH practical exam. So previously I completed my CH ANSI exam, which is nothing but a multiple choice questions based exam. But recently on January 6th, I completed my CH practical exam. So if you complete both of them, then you will be getting this certification, which is named as CH Master. So coming to the syllabus, guys, it is same as what the CH normal syllabus is like web application penetration testing, Active Directory, and some things like that. Okay, so coming to the CH practical exam, guys, as I told you, the syllabus is same. So the syllabus is same as what it is being there for CH, and so the exam is like this. You'll be given two machines, guys, for accessing, which is Kali Linux and Windows Server 2016. Okay, and then what you can do is they will be given some more machines out there, but you can't access them. Like only their IP address are given to you, where you can find some Windows machines and servers out there. Okay, like you need to perform what we do in CTF, like an nmap scan. We need to find out the services. We need to do some things like that. And also, guys, I'm really happy that the CH is also asking questions based on LLMNR poisoning, which is nothing but Active Directory pen testing. Okay, so I'm really happy. So they asked a question on that, and also there are many questions. Okay, there are many questions, but there is also a part for Active Directory as well. So where there are some many questions like web application penetration testing skills, and also attacking based skills, scanning skills. Okay, some things like that. Okay, so guys, you can also verify my certification. I can provide you the link. So this is my Aspen, guys. Okay, so Aspen is their management council. You can see the certified ethical hacker master. So if I can show here, guys, you can see if I click on download this thing, you can see that this is my verification, guys. You can do verify that. I'll provide the link over there in the description below. Okay, you can do verify that. I'll provide that in the description below. So that's it, guys. So that's regarding my uh, genuineness. Okay, so this is what. Okay, and also coming to the exam, there are 20 questions asked in the exam, which are like I felt really simple because I have been solving the CTF since a while. Okay, and those are really simple. Okay, if you have little bit of knowledge on solving some hack the box or vulnerable machines, then you can easily crack that. And also one more thing, guys, unlike OSCP, this exam is not all about Kali Linux. Okay, there are some specified tools for Windows as well, like so that's the reason why they had provided us Kali Linux and Windows 2016 for usage. Okay, so you need to use Windows 2016 as well for particular scenarios. Okay, so particular scenario. Okay, yeah, so you need to brush up your skills, guys. So like if you are taking up CH normal examination, which is NC examination, they will give you training regarding this thing. Okay, like what are the tools that you can use within Windows as well in order to attack and do things like that. Okay, and so that's the basic things, guys. Okay, like you can't always go with Kali Linux unlike OSCP. And also, guys, coming to the difference between OSCP and CH practical, I felt OSCP is difficult compared to that of CH practical. I haven't taken up OSCP, but I had seen some CTFs out there and things like that. Okay, some boxes out there which are harder compared to that of CH practical. So So that's the thing, guys. That's the thing. And for exam, you don't need to have your own machine or anything else. They will provide everything in the browser. Okay, the browser, and there will be a proctor who will be watching your exam. And the exam time duration is 6 hours. And as I told you previously, that there are 20 questions out there in the exam, and you need to solve like 14 questions to pass. I'm not sure, but yeah, I passed. Like I solved almost all the questions, like 19 questions out of 20, and that's, as I told you, that's really simple. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. That's the CH regarding CH practical. Okay, so yes, guys. Now coming to your questions, let me look into your questions. So hi Rakib, hello, Matthew Swaran. But how can I search a job related to ethical hacking and certificates? India. So let me answer your questions, guys. Okay, let me answer your questions. So coming to the Mathis Warren. So I'm in some intermediate level of ethical hacking, but search for jobs, and the searching for jobs is I can specify, because you can only get a job if there is a necessity of for the particular company. And so certificates are, do some basic certs, like if you, since we are going with ethical hacking, you need to have a certificate on networking, which will be fine. You can also have some certificates like CH, OSCP, or things like that. So that's completely dependent methods. Okay, I'm not sure where you can get the job or things like that, but yes, if there is an opportunity, and if you are really skillful, then you can definitely get a job opportunity. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's the everything regarding my CH what you call CH practical, or you can call it CH master, uh, like my opinion on things like that. And to be frank, I felt this exam really simple. I completed this exam really fast as well, because uh, I'm much more working on these kinds of things since last last 2 to 3 months, since I'm preparing for OSCP. And like, since OSCP is the toughest exam, I felt solving this exam is really simple. And how can I improve knowledge from intermediate to advanced? Practical knowledge, improve your practical knowledge methods, like solving some live boxes like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, or anything else. Okay, so that you can to improve my hacking knowledge. So Mathis, there is a video out there on my channel, like how to get started with cybersecurity. You can do check that out. You can do check that out, and you can try to follow that steps. Okay, so that you can be good at hacking. And also, guys, also not only you but everyone, if you want to learn something, learn it practically as well. Okay, so that you can get good knowledge. And also, so that's everything regarding CH, guys. So CH series is like a combination of CH ANSI exam, which is nothing but multiple choice questions, and also a CH practical exam, where you'll be tested practically. Okay, so if you complete both of them, you'll be given a CH master certification. So that's a little bit valuable. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's it. So that's everything regarding the CH practical. Since you guys are asking me regarding this, I am sharing my thing over there. So this is not only a live, you can also watch this once it's telecasted, or once it's done. Okay, you can also check that out. So if you are in stream, I can answer some of your questions, but if you missed out, you can still comment below. I'll definitely answer you guys. So that's everything regarding CH, guys. So I'm done with the CH. Now next I'll be going with OSCP, and I'll complete that by the end of this year. Okay, I'll complete that by the end of this year. Yes, I'm from beginning. I think it's spelling mistake, I think so. Yes, not completely maths. Okay, like I learned partly from them. So to be frank, in no one in the world teaches everything. Okay, everyone teaches you partly, like only a part. You need to keep on improving your skills. Okay, so if you are having any more questions or anything else, guys, you can post it over here. uh, and I can't give, and also guys, if you are thinking about price, I can't give any particular detail. Okay, so it depends. If you're going with if you're having any sponsorship, then you can definitely do that. But nope, I haven't felt hard. Okay, but it depends on the individual. Okay, if you are having good skills, you can definitely crack that out, but that's not tough as OSCP. Okay, that's not tough as OSCP. So I'll be there for some more minutes, guys. You can post your questions. Like, I'll be there for next 10 minutes. I'll try to answer your questions. So that's it, guys. So that's it. I really thank you for watching this live stream, and I'm gonna end this stream because this is not a stream at all. Like, I thought to interact with you guys regarding this thing, and I think so it's fine. Still, if you're having any doubts, still comment. You can comment below. I can try to help you out. So really thank you for watching this video. This is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you in the next video.